We'll make sure to tag you.
All right, we're going.
Tell me when.
Oh, we're going.
All right, so this is Rami Unger with Jeff Ignatowski here at Ohio State Reformatory. We're in James Lockhart's cell. Right before we started filming, the birds, which you might be able to hear through the camera, they started freaking out. I mean, they're a constant background noise, but they just started freaking out the moment we started. So we're gonna try and connect with Mr. Lockhart, who in 1960 immolated himself in the middle of a sentence. If anyone's there, please straighten the rods. Should mention that Jeff has his chattergeist going. Is that right?
Not currently. We got to give it power first.
Oh, we'll do that next then. Okay, if somebody's there, please cross the rods. Oh my God, we got a yes. Please straighten out the rods. Is this Mr. Lockhart? Cross for yes, push away for no. That's a yes. Please straighten out the rods again. Mr. Lockhart, just to make sure it's you, did you die by hanging? Push them apart if no, cross for yes. That's a no. Please straighten out the rods again. Mr. Lockhart, did you have anything to do with the birds freaking out? Yes. Oh my God, I'm getting chills. I've got a tingling feeling on my skin, like goosebumps. Please straighten out the rods. Mr. Lockhart, it's really good to speak with you again. I've always been very appreciative of whenever I've come to the cell that you've taken your time to speak with me. Could you do something, maybe move something or make a noise to let us know that you're here? To show the people at home that you're still here, even after all these years? That's a yes. Okay, please straighten out the rods. Okay, so whenever you're ready, just please make a noise or move something. In the meantime, could you point the rods in where exactly you're standing? Right in between us, apparently. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Lockhart, please, whenever you're ready, if you could make a noise or move something. Hey, that chain's moving. That chain's moving a little. I didn't touch it. Right here. Close up on this chain. It was swinging back and forth a little. Kind of. Can you swing it a bit more? Oh my God, it's moving slightly. You see that? It's moving slightly. Can you see that? Well, now you're moving.
Yeah, that's me. I was just checking to see if it actually like freely moves.
Now it's moving slightly, but that's because you touched it. But it was moving just very slightly. Can you do something else? Cross for yes, push away for no. Mr. Lockhart, if you're still there, could you please do something else to let us know that you're here? That's a yes. All right, whenever you're ready, sir. Jeff's drinking his drink. Not sure he's supposed to have that here, but I won't tell.
It's all right. I bought it in the break room.
That thing's still moving slightly. Could you try maybe hitting the walls? No.
Said I spent enough time in this damn room.
What? You're gonna do something to the rod, to the chains? Are you going to do something to the chains, sir? I think that's a no. Maybe you could try flipping some of these loose chains? Just gonna try flipping a chain. It looks a lot like animal excrement down there. What was that?
Not sure. I did hear it.
Yeah, it sounded like a knock. Mr. Lockhart, was that you making that knocking noise? That's a yes. Thank you, sir. Please straighten out the rods. Thank you. So if you didn't hear it, I don't know if the camera picked it up, but we heard a knocking noise. It sounded like something in the walls. Or maybe outside the cell, so... And Mr. Lockhart says that was him. Interesting.
There's nobody else in the cell block with us.
Nobody on this floor, at any rate.
Huh.
Okay, well, thank you, Mr. Lockhart. I think we're gonna switch it up next. Shall we try the Chattergeist?
Cool. Sounds good.
All right.